Diyos ko, akala mo ba yung presidente natin nagtatrabaho? Hindi nagtatanong yan at all. Hindi, I swear to the flag, si BBM, hindi yan siya nagtatanong ng trabaho at all. Kaya napansin nyo ba, walang direksyon yung governance at walang direksyon yung iba't ibang departamento. Bakit? Kasi he doesn't give direct, he doesn't command. He doesn't command, he doesn't ask, he doesn't say that, look, there's a Philippine development plan and what are you supposed to do about this? Akala nyo ba yung ginawa ko sa DepEd, galing yun kay Bibi? Hindi, akin yun. Lahat. Kasi he did not give any orders at all. So pag upo ko doon, sabi ko sa mga kasamahan ko, sa mga USEC at ASEC, I think this is our show.